You are here for some of the best and most useful car accessories on Amazon, right? So let's do it! Let's start with this top-selling device renowned for its exceptional radar and laser detection capabilities, the Escort iX Laser Radar Detector. This sleek and compact gadget packs the advanced features of the 9500 iX, offering the next generation of performance at an affordable price. With its long-range early warning system, the iX ensures a high level of protection while introducing built-in Bluetooth connectivity for enhanced convenience. Equipped with a multicolor OLED display, this detector not only alerts you to the type of threat but also assists in making informed decisions while on the road. For even greater defense, sync the detector with the Escort Live app on your smartphone to receive real-time crowdsourced threat alerts. With its intelligent features and impressive detection abilities, the Escort iX becomes an essential companion for frequent travelers and for those with lead foot. This device is the ultimate solution for avoiding unwanted speeding tickets on the highway. Next, let me present to you the Rowent Baby Car Camera, a versatile and user-friendly gadget designed to offer parents a secure and effective means of monitoring their babies during car journeys. Boasting a high-definition 1080p display, this camera delivers sharp and clear visuals of the baby's surroundings and actions. Featuring a 170-degree wide-angle lens, it offers an expansive field of view, allowing parents to observe their children from different angles. With infrared night vision, this device ensures clear monitoring even in low-light conditions. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach it to the car's dashboard and headrest using the sturdy bracket, then connect it via the video cable to the car's cigarette outlet for power. Overall, the Rowent Baby Car Camera is a perfect choice for parents seeking for a dependable and top-quality video monitoring system for their little ones. We've discovered something truly remarkable, an item that could potentially be a lifesaver if you ever find yourself stranded with a flat tire on the road. This portable air compressor is a powerhouse, capable of inflating a car tire in just 3 to 6 minutes, making it exceptionally fast among handheld compressors. Compact and lightweight, this compressor can be conveniently stored in your vehicle and its usage is equally effortless. Utilizing the integrated LCD display, you can set your desired tire pressure. After unscrewing the tire valve cover, attach the pressure hose to your tire, press the rear button, and let the air flow freely. Powered by an internal battery, you can even use this compressor if the battery is depleted, as it can draw power directly from the car's socket. This car charger could potentially be a lifesaver. Not only does it charge 2 devices, but it also features a razor-sharp blade that can cut jammed seatbelts and shatter car windows during emergencies. Being prepared in advance is crucial, and this versatile gadget functioning as a charger is undoubtedly a handy addition. Being it a casual beach drive or a cross-border adventure, having a first aid kit is absolutely essential, in case of an emergency. This collaborative kit by MyMedic and Popular Mechanics combines medical supplies and survival gear within a lightweight 2.4-pound waterproof case. It contains antiseptic wipes, a window breaker, seatbelt cutter, medications, and a variety of bandages, ensuring preparedness for any situation. Next, meet GoVoice, your driving companion for enhanced focus and safety on the road. This Bluetooth car charger redefines smartphone interactions whilst driving. Syncing seamlessly with Siri and Google Assistant, it enables swift and secure voice commands, keeping you connected without distractions. Play music, send messages, or set navigation directions without taking your eyes off the road. What sets GoVoice apart is its advanced far-field voice technology, ensuring clear commands even from the back seat. Noise cancellation ensures precise communication, and besides its smart features, GoVoice remains a reliable charger with dual USB ports. With a built-in LED light, it shows connection status and incoming calls. Transform your driving experience with enhanced safety and convenience, making smartphone use on the road both efficient and secure. Experience effortless phone connectivity with the Motorola MA1 wireless car adapter for Android Auto. Seamlessly link your phone to your car's Android Auto infotainment system using this cutting-edge wireless technology. With no cords required, this gadget offers ultimate convenience. Utilizing 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it ensures rapid media transfer and a smooth connection with your car's system. Installation is a breeze. Insert the MA1 adapter into your car's Android Auto-enabled USB port and pair it with your phone. Its sleek, low-profile design seamlessly integrates into your car's interior, combining functionality and elegance. Introducing the EcoFlow Delta Pro, a remarkably versatile power station designed for convenient on-the-go EV charging. Unlike most conventional lithium-ion charging stations, this one uses the latest lithium iron phosphate technology. The result? It translates to lightweight construction, extended battery life, and rapid charging capabilities. Each unit boasts approximately 3.6 kilowatts of power, and by chaining multiple units, a cumulative capacity of about 25 kilowatts can be achieved. This substantial power reservoir can serve as a versatile emergency resource. The station can be recharged through various methods, including solar panels and wall outlets, eliminating compatibility concerns. Moreover, its versatility extends beyond EV charging, as it can power an array of home appliances. The EcoFlow Delta Pro redefines on-the-go energy solutions. Tired of the tedious task of loading a boat onto your car's roof? Wave farewell to the inconvenience with this remarkable car gadget, the Boathoist Boat Loader. This electric loading system by Australian company Boathoist simplifies boat transportation. Its compact folding design fits neatly beside your roof rack. Setup is quick and effortless, taking just minutes. Simply position your boat on the frame, press the button, and observe as your vehicle rises along the structure with ease. Say goodbye to the stress and enjoy seamless boat loading with the essential Boathoist Boat Loader. Turn your ordinary car into a camping haven with this inflatable truck tent. This ingenious accessory converts your vehicle into a spacious mattress or a 5-foot-long living area. With a 7-foot interior standing height, you can walk around comfortably within the shelter. Crafted from premium breathable materials, it provides a comfortable indoor climate. Also, it's equipped with multiple mosquito windows and ventilation openings. When folded, it's just 7 inches tall and weighs just 62 pounds, allowing for effortless storage and convenient transportation to your destination. Are you caught up in traffic with some pending work to be done? Meet your mobile office, not just a mere tray, but a whole desk. Its non-skid rubber surface secures your laptop, smartphone, or tablet. There is also an extendable writing surface to make your notes and sign signatures, aided by a built-in clipboard that keeps it in place. Beneath lies a storage compartment for your laptop and other supplies, accompanied by various file compartments. Installing this solution is a breeze, providing you with a convenient workspace on the go. Autopreme is set to be the next-generation vehicle mat, offering you with both luxury and functionality that's perfectly tailored to your car. These mats are tough, scratch-resistant, acid-proof, oil-resistant, and waterproof. Equipped with metal heel grips and rubber nibs, they always stay in place. With their vibrant colors, they provide complete floor coverage for a long-lasting and unique appearance that enhances your car's value. Keeping everything spotless during a road trip is no easy task, but a portable vacuum cleaner like ThisWorks can do wonders for cleaning your vehicle. Lightweight, compact, and easy to use, this portable device plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet, and its 16-foot cord lets you reach all the places around your car. Specially designed for your car's interior to collect both wet and dry debris. It comes with an extension tube for hard-to-reach corners, as well as a brush head for carpets and upholstery. A must-have gadget for every car owner. Have you encountered an infuriating driver? We've got the ideal gadget to release that frustration on the road. This battery-powered light eliminates the need to shout. With a simple button press, you can express your sentiments. Easily attach this device to glass using Velcro and adhesive strips. The remote control is also equipped with an adhesive strip, so it can be attached to your dashboard for quick access. Whether you're facing frustrating situations during your commute, you now have the freedom to communicate your thoughts without uttering a word. Long journeys often become unpleasurable due to relentless sun exposure. While front passengers usually enjoy sunshades, those at the back suffer. Enhance your comfort and get protected against UV radiation by using these shades. Each blind comes equipped with 5 magnets, suitable for windows up to 18 by 27 inches. These powerful magnets allow window opening without displacement. Additionally, the blinds offer little protection against debris that could get into the car. An added feature is the loops and hooks, designed to gather excess fabric to prevent the curtain from dangling. Embarking on adventures with your furry friend brings joy, but an unexpected accident can swiftly escalate the situation. Luckily, the WolfGuard dog car seat aims to address this concern. This innovative car seat is designed to withstand up to 2,000 pounds of force, ensuring your furry friend's safety during unforeseen accidents. Prioritizing your pet's well-being, the WolfGuard eliminates unsafe lap rides and hanging their heads out the window. Ideal for small to medium-sized dogs, this advanced seat features a patented 7-point shock absorption system. With horizontal and vertical bars, seat restraints, foam pads and netting, it ensures utmost security. For added protection, consider the netting cover and safety cord. Elevate your pet's travel experience with the WolfGuard, offering unparalleled safety and comfort on the road. For the daily organization enthusiasts, this 2-pack car seat pocket organizer turns your center console into a well-ordered haven. These organizers fit snugly between your seat and the center console, providing convenient trays for all essential items. With anti-slip cover, it ensures a secure placement at all times. Next, the Zerger Car steering wheel tray presents an ideal solution for drivers and travelers seeking a dependable car desk for working and dining during their journeys. Tailored to your requirements, this tray offers simple mounting on both the steering wheel and the back seat, along with ample storage space for food and other essentials. Installation and removal from the steering wheel is a breeze. To ensure stability, there's an additional strap that secures the desk to the seat like a seatbelt. Capable of holding up to 17 pounds, it accommodates lightweight items such as books, snacks, and tablets. Designed to fit most cars, the Zerger boasts a robust aluminum frame and a non-slip surface that prevents items from slipping during the day's activities. Adjustable for a comfortable typing angle, it includes a built-in mouse pad and cup holder, facilitating hydration and work while on the road. This is the list of some of the best car gadgets available on Amazon. If you find this video useful, hit the like button so YouTube will promote it to more people. Also, if you enjoy seeing these useful gadgets all the time, then subscribe to this channel for such videos every week. In addition to the video you have watched, and the ones that I'm recommending to you, you'll find some of the best gadgets that'll make your life easier. I am Philip, and this is Bazillion Tech Review. Thanks for checking out this episode. See you in the next one.